Speedbird 232, right heading 235, and report localizer established runway 27 left, Speedbird 232.
245, please.
Speedbird 232.
Pull the mask firmly towards you to activate the oxygen flow. Place the mask on your nose and mouth. Pull the headband fitted tight.
Shuttle 14 Papa, reduce 180 knots.
180 knots, Shuttle 14 Papa.
You must place the oxygen mask on yourself before attending to those under your care. In the unlikely event of an emergency water landing,
Speedbird 232, establish localizer 27 left.
Speedbird 232, descend ILS.
Descend ILS, Speedbird 232.
Shuttle 14 Papa, turn right, heading 180.
Right, 180, Shuttle 14 Papa.
the exit just before leaving the aircraft. To inflate
Good evening, heading 7 and
Altalia 79 Alpha. Altalia 79 Alpha, turn left, heading 060.
060 degrees,
Shuttle 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27 left.
Right, 245, call you localizer established 27 left, Shuttle 14 Papa.
Altalia 79 Alpha, turn left, heading 360 degrees.
Bismillah, take off.